Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Right now I'm going to show you guys how to make my famous fried cauliflower. So stay tuned. This is absolutely delicious. If you've never had it, this is an Italian recipe that was passed down to me from my mom, and it comes from Sicily. My mom is from a small town in Santa Croce Camarina in Sicily, which we are going to visit early next year, and I cannot wait to take you guys along for that. So I have cauliflower here all cut up. I have a bowl of flour, some beaten egg with a little bit of milk in there, and some Italian breadcrumbs with just some salt and pepper and a little bit of my garlic powder. So come along with me, and I'm going to show you how to make this absolutely delicious dish. Yes, it is deep fried, but if you don't want to deep fry it and you have an air fryer, you can do it in the air fryer as well. No problem, comes out just as well. Okay, so I am going to show you guys how to do the cauliflower, and I'm just going to do it in the flour first, and then in the egg, and in the breadcrumb mixture, and make sure it's completely covered. You don't want to cook your cauliflower first. And then I'm going to put it on a plate. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do a couple. This goes really, really quickly. Make sure it's all covered, just like that. Every nook and cranny. And there you go. So I'm going to do all of these, and then I'll show you how to fry it. And then you move your fried cauliflower over to a hot pan with some corn oil in it, which is what I prefer, and you cook them until they're brown on all sides, and then you bring them over here. Okay, this is one of the fried cauliflowers. I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. So we're going to cut it open. Fully cooked on the inside. And there you have.
Good.
Yeah. And there's our fried cauliflower, you guys. Fully cooked and absolutely delicious. So go and try this if you've never tried this. This is so delicious. And I will tell you, I like them better cold. They're wonderful when they're hot like this. But they are so good when they are cold too. So store these in the refrigerator after you're done. And then you can eat them like I do for breakfast or lunch. Snack on them when they're cold. They are absolutely delicious. So there you go. A nice Sicilian recipe for you guys. Word of the day, fried cauliflower. Thanks for watching. Comment the word of the day in the comment section below, and I will see you soon.